Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we're talking about how to automate your social media posting with Zapier. So create a new Zap inside your dashboard, go create, press Zaps, and then set your trigger app to a cloud workspace tool like Notion, Airtable, or Google Sheets. So in the trigger, let's choose Notion. Just use the search. Okay, Notion done. And then select the event to trigger whenever a new item is generated or marketed as approved on your content board. So I'll just choose this, for example, new comment. And you can also run a quick test pass to fetch a sample layout row. This locks in your post copy text strings and your media asset URL parameters, so downstream apps can read them cleanly. And now we can map out your distribution channels so they can execute all at once from that single approved trigger row. So go plus once again, or just press on this action to create a new one. And then, for example, you can choose an action and select your first network, like LinkedIn, for example. There you go, LinkedIn. In here, choose an event that you want. And of course, connect your account, your pretty much LinkedIn account in here. Just continue to LinkedIn and connect it in this next window. And then click the plus icon again when you connect that. Right here, and let's add something like Facebook pages, for example. Facebook pages. And choose create page photo as your action event. Okay, drop this down, create page photo. And then guys, just choose in here, Facebook pages is done. Choose action event as create page photo, and of course choose your account. And you can then run a final validation check across your action steps to confirm that the layout formatting looks clean, and then launch your chain. That is it. Now your brand is broadcasting across the web while you focus entirely on creation. Thanks for watching this one. See you in the next one.